Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. It is called Social Donkeys. But before we start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is called socialdonkeys.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my video on the educational network. You can go check it out from there. In today's video, we're going to go in great detail. I'm going to show you what this amazing NFT is all about. Social Donkey passive investment pools. We're going to look at how you can buy them, their about us, their roadmaps, their rewards, and their FAQs. We're going to check out their Twitter and their Instagram as well. So obviously, what are these amazing Social Donkeys? Social Donkeys exclusive NFT community is actually comprised of 1,300 unique donkeys from Gen 1 and 2,600 3D donkeys from Gen 2 made with pure love and passion. Each one of them is a unique piece of art randomly assembled by a code and will reside on the safe landscape of the Solana blockchain. So it is built and powered by Solana, and just having a look at these donkeys, you can sense the amount of artistic development, the creativeness that has been put in developing these particular NFTs. Now obviously they're on Twitter, which we'll check in a second, and they're on Discord. Now the Discord is the most important place that you have to go and join, because the Discord is the place that you get reliable information on, because any other place that talks about the project will not give you as much information and reliable information as Discord does, because this is the source from where you can get information. Now, obviously, their mission is to form a compassionate global alliance of vulnerable species living a life of chaos and disarray. Social Donkey Club will be a safe zone society where, with the help of their supportive community, they will work towards a world where donkeys and other vulnerable species can live free from suffering, and their contribution to humanity is fully valued. Now, just reading that mission, you can sense the strategy that they've taken, the mission that they've taken, their vision that they have, and the aim they want to achieve. Combining all of these together, you can see how they will execute the strategy in such a manner that it's never been done before. I've done a ton of reviews of different NFTs and different play to earn games on the NFT space and crypto space, but I've never come across such a project that combines all of these elements under one roof. As part of the Gen 1 collection, they will donate and adapt many donkeys via the Donkey Sanctuary, and will continue to do so as part of their second collection as well. So there is a element when you actually invest into a particular NFT, it is not just increasing its value for you, but you're contributing to society. The social responsibility that comes with actually getting an NFT increases dramatically. Hence, they can't wait to welcome each one of us to this super community and for us to join all the way for an exciting future for these amazing donkeys. The roadmap, which I feel is one of the best roadmaps that I've come across with the 3D drop, their next gen 3D SD NFT drop is in line. Each verified SD NFT holder will qualify for one free 3D SD NFT with a total collection of 2,600 3D NFT. The Social Donkey NFT will be made available on the Solana blockchain. Right after the 3D launch, the team will commit to 50% of the total mint revenue to a number of well-known IDO launchpads in order to have the opportunity to have guaranteed participation in upcoming investment pools. The level of investment will allow us to have a guaranteed investment opportunity with a reasonable contribution limits. To start off, they will have trust pads, game starters, Sedify, Solanium, Veltapad on their list. However, the community can also recommend a few of what they believe as well, and they will actually commit $20,000 in the IDO investment pot on the first day after the launch, which will allow them to invest right away. The investment pool refill 50% of the total royalty earned from the 2D and 3D secondary marketplace will go to investment wallet to utilize the funds at a maximum on all upcoming IDO. You have the Social Donkey token and the game. With the stake and earn the Social Donkey token, while this is an early stage, but the team is exploring options to add real utility to the token, which obviously for the holders they can earn and should have monetary value attached to it. And obviously in the metaverse, they say we all so fond of it and can't wait to have a piece of it. However, we will have to be realistic at how we approach it. So the element of strategy building and strategy executing actually gets clearly displayed in this statement. Currently, we have touched these bases with a few developers and are keeping a close eye on projects providing metaverse infrastructure for the Solana ecosystem. The transparency that this particular team brings is very unique, and I love that. So obviously, as soon as we see an opportunity, they say, to get the ball rolling, we will go ahead and explore various options to get the community to decide its future. 150 different trades, 30 different body types and colors, 120 clothes and accessories, and 100 million unique possibilities that is available for grabs for you guys. They're available on Twitter. Their Twitter handle is quite nice. The Twitter handle has 3,128 followers, and obviously as I scroll down you can see the level of engagement they tend to have with their users, and having a look at the social aspect of it is absolutely amazing. But combining it with the way they've developed the art, they developed the NFT, actually gives it a very unique element and a very unique place. And obviously having a strategy such as theirs and implementing it successfully, you are actually developing an NFT that will make it quite big in the NFT space. So guys, this is something you really should check out. The other thing I want to show you is their Instagram. Their Instagram has 238 followers, and scrolling down you can just see the amount of 2D development that has gone into developing these NFTs. They have an excellent color scheme. They've combined different elements and developed a soul-filled donkey that has a lot of implementations in the future. So if you're thinking about investing in something that has potential to make it really big, this is something that you should lock down. This is something you should look at. Again guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but I've done a ton of reviews of different NFTs and different play to earn games. So obviously this is my opinion. You can always comment in the section below on Facebook or Instagram and ask your questions. If you have any further clarifications that you need, you can always drop me a message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is actually available on my About Us section on the educational network. You can go check it out from there. The purpose of these videos is actually to help you guys understand what NFT and what play to earn game is successful. So please share these videos on Facebook and on Instagram, on WhatsApp with your friends and family so more people can actually benefit from it. So until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.